Bypass Windows 10 Defender and hack Windows 10 from Kali Linux. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn that how to bypass Windows 10 Defender and then how you can exploit the complete Windows 10. To perform this attack, we need to open Kali Linux operating system and Windows 10 in VMware Workstation. So guys, we are here at Kali Linux operating system and let me show you the setup. So this is Kali Linux and Windows 10 is also available, right? So Windows 10 is the victim machine and Kali Linux is the attacker machine. To perform Defender bypass, I'm going to use Zirika2 framework, which we have already installed inside Kali Linux operating system. So let's start Zirika2, and by using Zirika2 we will create a payload that then we will send it to Windows 10. Try to connect with the victim machine. So you can click on places, click on downloads. Inside downloads you can find out the Zirika2-master, double click on it, and here we need to run it. So now you can right click here, click open in terminal. Let me zoom it. So here we need to type ls to list all the files available inside Zirika2, and we need to run this. So to run it you can type /zirika2.sh and hit enter. So you can see here that Zirika2 version 0.2 fully undetectable payloads. Now it is checking the dependencies, and I think the Kali Linux is fully updated, so we don't need to update it. Now here you can see that these are the options are available. So to perform, because we need to bypass Windows Defender, so we need to create an undetectable payload or a virus. So I'm going to use the number 7, which is multi-encode payload, which actually encodes payload again and again so that Defender or antivirus cannot detect it. Select 7 and hit enter. Now number of iterations, how many times you want to encode the payload. For example, I want to try 20 times. Hit enter. Set lhost. Lhost means your Kali Linux IP address. So let me check. Right click on the terminal, click on new window, type ifconfig and hit enter. So this is your Kali Linux IP address 172.20.10.3. So you can type here your Kali Linux IP address 172.20.10.3. Hit enter. L port, you can select any port number, for example 5555. Hit enter. Do you want to change the payload icon? Yes. Type Y, hit enter. Display an error message? No. And hit enter. Now you need to provide the name of the file you want to create. For example, my file name is file 10. Hit enter. Now you just need to wait here, and it will create an undetectable payload, and then we will send that payload to Windows 10 machine. Let's see if Defender can detect it or not. So guys, here you can see that the payload has been created, and this is the payload file, file10.exe. Now it is asking that do you want to start the payload handler. So payload handler is necessary because without handler we cannot accept the request coming from the victim machine. So that's why I need to create a handler. So type Y and hit enter. Now let me check that where is file10.exe is. So click on places, click downloads, open the Zirika2 master folder, inside output, and here is the file available, right? We need to send this file to Windows 10 machine. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a Python server to send this file to the victim machine. So right click here, click open in terminal. You can minimize the first window, and here you can start the Python server. So you can type here python -m simple http server and hit enter. So now Python server is running on port number 8000. Now we need to visit the victim machine and let's download that payload inside Windows 10. So you can open Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox, doesn't matter. And here you can type 172.20.10.3:8000 and hit enter. Here it is. So you can see here that directory listing is available. Click here and save this file inside Windows 10. I have clicked on the file. Let me save this file inside Windows 10 machine, which is our victim. So you can open folder, and file is available inside Windows 10 operating system. Here it is inside downloads. So this is inside downloads folder, and you can close this window. So this is the file 10 available, right? And you can see here that Windows Defender is not able to detect it, right? So you can also check that Windows Defender is working or not inside Windows 10. So let me show you the settings of Windows Defender. Here it is. So here you can see that inside virus and threat protection, you will see that it is working or not. Click again on virus and threat protection settings, and here you can see it is actually on, but it is not able to detect the virus, which was file 10. Now let me go back to the Kali Linux, minimize this window, and here you can see that handler is working. Now just go back to the Windows 10 machine, double click on this virus file, and let's see if we can connect Windows 10 machine with Kali Linux or not. So just need to double click on it to run this file. This is just a warning message. Click more info and click run anyway. So here it is running inside Windows 10 machine. Let me go back to the Kali Linux operating system, and here you can see that Meterpreter session has been opened inside Kali Linux operating system. It means we have successfully connected Kali Linux machine with Windows 10 machine. Let me start the handler. So you can type your sessions -I space 1, because this is Meterpreter session 1, and hit enter. So you can see that we are on the Meterpreter, and you can type your sysinfo to get information about the victim machine. So we have successfully hacked Windows 10 machine. You can see here information about. So that's how we have bypassed Windows Defender, and we have successfully hacked the updated Windows 10 machine by using Kali Linux operating system. So this is all about bypassing Defender using Kali Linux. The next video we are going to learn about that how to bypass Windows 10 virus and how to hack Windows 10 using Kali Linux. Thank you so much.